Hi everyone, I am Kai from Tizaw. Today I will show you how to change Google weather notification language in mobile. Let's get started. For Google weather notification language change, first of all you have to go Google Chrome browser. Tap on Google Chrome browser. Tap on three dot, tap on setting, then goes down, language under advanced, tap on it, then select from your language Arabic, remove Arabic, then add language. Here I am selecting now English United Kingdom. English United Kingdom. That's it. Thanks for watching. For more tips, check out tizaw.com and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a question, drop them in the comment section. See you next time.